This video disc gives you an introduction to the exciting new Commodore range. The disc will stop shortly to allow you to select the program you would like to see. A word about this program. We have tried to make this presentation as comprehensible and factual as possible. However, since the time of production, some of the information you'll find here may have changed. Please check with your dealer for current details. Make your selection from the index and press the appropriate button on the touchpad.
Introducing the new Holden Commodore. Designed for you, the motorist who demands the best. Holden engineers have made extensive refinements and innovations to Commodore to ensure that it is the car that sets the standard for others to follow. The first look tells you there is something special about Commodore. A longer, more spacious looking style that sets it apart. The new Commodore features an additional rear window, giving you better all-round vision and a more spacious interior feeling. Bold new grille treatment that puts Commodore's styling years ahead of its competition. Commodore engineers have incorporated the latest in new materials to give you safety in strength while saving weight. To complement the styling, Commodore features a new clear crystal appearance outer turn signal lens. Exterior mouldings are stainless steel and are insulated from the paintwork by PVC linings to give improved corrosion protection. New aero-style exterior rear view mirrors incorporate a movable glass in a fixed housing. Rear bumper styling is similar to the front and incorporates provision for the license plate. The tail lights are redesigned and feature a centrally located extension moulding. On the inside, there is a comprehensive array of instruments contained in a completely new design instruments layout. A control panel to the left of the instruments contains touch-sensitive switches for the rear window demister and any features. The Calais model features fully electronic instrumentation in a vacuum fluorescent display, which sets new standards in instrument technology. The interior features of Commodore have been improved to give you even more comfort and value. SL models feature cloth trim seating and loop pile carpet. Berina models have variegated cord trim and cut pile carpet. Holden Calais offers you the choice of plush velour or luxurious leather seating with a fully carpeted interior. All Commodore models now have new seating, including the open design head restraint for better interior vision. Seat height adjustment has been fitted to all models for even better driving position adjustments. On Berina and Holden Calais models, driver seats are also fitted with adjustable lumbar support. For your comfort and convenience, Commodore's air conditioning system has been refined and improved to give up to 40% more airflow. The new ducting and blower design delivers increased cooled airflow. Under the bonnet, Holden engineers have worked hard to give you better performance and increased fuel economy. For SL and Berina, Holden has developed electronic spark timing and teamed it with their 3.3-litre six-cylinder engine. Electronic spark timing, or EST, is a sophisticated electronic engine management system. A computer continually monitors and evaluates engine performance from 6 separate sources, then calculates and assigns spark timing for all engine requirements under all driving conditions. In lab tests, EST has shown tangible fuel economy improvements, with a city cycle as low as only 12.3 litres per 100 kilometres. Country cycle tests produce the remarkable figure of a low 7.6 litres per 100 kilometres. EST tests have also shown that Commodore now runs an engine that will easily meet the most stringent emission controls. EST has eliminated engine racing at cold starts and high revving idling. The net result for you a cleaner, more economical engine that doesn't compromise on power. Standard on Calais and optional on other models is the new Holden electronic fuel injection system. Holden engineers have achieved remarkable performance and economy figures with their electronic injection. Power and torque output is increased to a level that has the 3.3-litre electronic injection six-cylinder engine giving performance comparable to many V8s. The result for you, excellent overtaking, higher top speed, and great towing performance. By electronic control of fuel mix, all this added power and performance is achieved with no sacrifices to fuel economy. Commodore's electronic injection gives you the same excellent fuel economy of normal, less powerful carburetor-type engines. But Holden engineers didn't stop there. An extensive series of computer simulation programs was undertaken to determine the most efficient exhaust and manifold system designs. The result? A new ram charging effect inlet manifold, which is actually tuned to give the most efficient performance while assisting fuel economy. A new cylinder head that improves airflow, increases engine performance. A new camshaft, computer matched to the new intake manifold to give more engine power. And with the electronic injection engine, a new tubular exhaust system that combines extractors and a single exhaust pipe to give a substantial increase in power and torque. And to save you money, the exhaust is made from long-lasting stainless steel that should never need replacing. To match the increased engine output, Holden's Trimatic Automatic has been recalibrated and final drive ratios selected for optimum balance between fuel economy and performance. Further developments include heavy-duty universal joints and shock-preen differential pinion gears for added strength and durability. To improve ride comfort, front and rear suspension has revised valving, and the lower control arm has been redesigned. There is a new single diaphragm type booster and master brake cylinder, and new friction materials designed for improved braking efficiency. The total effect? A range of vehicles that gives you the latest in automotive styling and engineering. And for the times when you have to have even more power and torque, Commodore offers you the biggest Australian engine available, the 5-litre V8. Commodore offers you a choice of transmissions to suit your driving requirements. You can choose from 4-speed manual, 5-speed manual, or Holden's acclaimed 3-speed automatic. And of course, power steering is available as a low-cost option, while standard on Holden Calais and Commodore Berina. Commodore, the result of skilled and dedicated engineers and designers. Commodore offers you the latest in automotive technology and design, with a range of models and engines to suit any application. Commodore, modern new aerodynamic styling, impressive standard features, and high technology. Test drive one soon. When Holden designed the new Commodore, they set out to offer you the best value for money car in Australia. And Commodore SL is the result. New styling and a list of standard equipment that offers you exceptional value for money, together with Holden's renowned reliability and quality. SL, the Commodore that gives you all the features you need in a motor car. The styling speaks for itself. From any angle, Commodore SL's new look is impressive. A laminated windscreen provides safety and wide, clear vision and has a clean, smooth fitment. There is a new 3-bar higher impact resistant synthetic grille to save weight and repair costs. The grille is color treated to harmonize with the exterior. New injected molded polycarbonate bumpers save weight and extend to the wheel arches to give added protection against low-speed impact. They're also color keyed to complement the exterior color. Clear crystal lens turn indicators wrap around to extend the headlight styling. New door belt and drip gutter mouldings accent the clean, crisp aerodynamic styling. New wide body protection mouldings are also high impact resistant polycarbonate. And a new look, an additional rear window to give a lower, longer, sleeker profile that opens up the interior of Commodore and gives you improved all-round visibility and spaciousness. Rear seat passengers will appreciate the additional visibility and more spacious interior feel. All new rear styling. The rear bumper is also high impact resistant polycarbonate and extends to the wheel arches. There is a recessed area for license plates. Tail lights and indicators accentuate Commodore's wider rear styling appearance. Even the rear window style is new, with a smoother flush-fitting rubber fitment and a wider appearance. And new wheel covers to really set off the exterior styling. But it's under the bonnet that Commodore really shows its class. Your SL comes equipped with the renowned Holden 3.3-litre six-cylinder engine, one of the most efficient and reliable power plants available. But Holden didn't stop there. To give you more engine economy and smoother running, Commodore SL incorporates Holden's new EST, electronic spark timing. The net result for you, a smoother, more economical engine that doesn't compromise on power. It even has a self-diagnosis facility that tells the Holden service team where to look if anything functions at less than 100% efficiency, which should save excessive investigation and labor charges on servicing at your Holden dealer. Commodore SL carries the excitement into the interior. Your comfort and convenience are catered for better than ever before. Start with the seating. Plush cloth trims are standard on SL. Seats are fully contoured and molded to give you maximum comfort and support. New open design head restraints give a more open, spacious feel to Commodore's already large interior. There's a completely new instrument panel design that incorporates temperature, oil, fuel and voltage warning with a vacuum economy gauge and analog clock. The layout has been designed to be functional and easy to read. There are all new touch-sensitive switches on the left of the instrument panel, and heater controls are convenient and easy to operate. The list of standard SL equipment is so long, it's almost like an options catalogue. A completely new AM/FM stereo radio sound system that incorporates the latest in electronic modular design to give you true sound enjoyment, standard on SL. Left and right-hand side remote control rear view mirrors are redesigned to give a smooth aerodynamic line. Rear seat retracting seat belts for easier access and neat appearance when not in use. Standard on SL. Driver's seat height adjustment, which together with the reclining back adjuster and Commodore's long fore and aft travel, means you can select a driving position that's just right for you. Standard on SL. An intermittent wiper control for those times when it's only sprinkling with rain. Standard on SL. And a remote control boot release to give you the convenience of not having to remove the key to open the boot. Standard on SL. All these new standard features are in addition to Commodore SL's already comprehensive equipment level. Ask your dealer for the complete list of all the value features. But it's on the road that you can experience the unique driving characteristics with SL. Holden's renowned radial tune suspension, or RTS, gives you total control and feel, even on the toughest roads. RTS has set high standards and won a well-deserved reputation for Australian handling and performance. It is yours with Commodore SL. With SL, you have a choice of powertrain combinations of engines and transmissions to suit your particular needs. Standard on Calais and optional on other models is the new Holden electronic fuel injection system. Holden engineers have achieved remarkable performance and economy figures with their EFI. The design concept is to control the fuel mix to ensure increased performance tuned with greater economy. Commodore also offers you a choice of transmissions to fit your driving needs, 4 or 5-speed manual, or Holden's famous Trimatic automatic for your driving pleasure. And remember, if you need even more pulling power, only Commodore offers a V8 option. For Australia's only V8 engine, select Commodore's big 5-litre with power steering and automatic transmission. To make your driving experience even better, you can also equip your SL with Holden's smooth power steering. And for comfort on hot Australian days, you can have Holden's own air conditioning. Commodore SL, the most equipped, best value for money sedan in Australia. Ask your dealer for a test drive now. For the driver who needs the versatility of a wagon, choose Commodore SL Wagon. SL Wagon retains all the features of the SL sedan and adds the efficiency and load space of a wagon. A new redesigned rear window adds to the SL Wagon's stylish new rear end appearance, and the window is bonded for a smooth, clean appearance. The tailgate handle has been extended for easy opening. The rear bumper is a new design and is made from high impact resistant polycarbonate. And with SL Wagon, you don't compromise comfort and features to get wagon load space and versatility. So if you're looking for a sedan or wagon that offers the best value for money in Australia and a list of standard equipment that others call options, Commodore SL is the one for you. Introducing Commodore Berina, a new name that means luxury at an affordable price. Berina takes the standard features on SL and adds to them to give you more of the luxury that you want in a motorcar. Commodore Berina, more features and standard equipment than you'd expect for the price. Standard with Berina is the 3.3-litre 6-cylinder electronic spark timing engine to give you smoother, cleaner performance. And Berina features Holden's famous Trimatic automatic transmission as standard equipment. To give you easier, more comfortable driving, Berina also features power steering as standard equipment. On the outside, Berina has new wheel trims and individual body side coach stripes. The new high-impact grille has stainless strips for an individual look and is color-treated to match the wraparound polycarbonate bumpers. For stone chip protection, the bumpers extend to the wheel arches front and rear. Door frames are black to give a more individual style, and the wide body side molding is color-treated to harmonize with the body color. There is a new rear window to increase rear seat visibility and to add to the feeling of spaciousness. Rear styling is new, with a bold tail light insert that adds to the wide, low look. Tail lights and indicators are new and are boldly designed to complement Berlina's sleek, smooth style from any angle. Even a locking fuel filler cap is standard on Berina. But it's the interior that will firmly convince you in your choice of Commodore Berina. Take a look at the new standard features. You'll get the feeling that this is really a luxury car. The feeling starts as soon as you look inside. The doors are fully trimmed for that added touch of luxury. The new seats have an open design head restraint designed to give you better all-round vision. Front seats have recessed backs and map pockets for more rear passenger legroom. Variegated cloth upholstery and adjustable lumbar support for the driver's seat, as well as seat height adjuster and reclining mechanism. Driver and passengers are well looked after in Berlina. Lush cut pile carpet cushions your feet and helps cut down road noise, standard on Berlina. And to enjoy the quiet running, there's a 2-speaker AM/FM stereo cassette system that incorporates features such as Dolby noise reduction, metal cassette, and digital station identification. There's even a power antenna that can be adjusted from inside the car that lowers to the lock position when the ignition is turned off, also standard on Berlina. Your comfort and convenience is cared for in every way. A vanity mirror located in the glove box. Rear quarter lamps for rear seat passengers. Fold-down rear seat armrest for real armchair comfort. And tinted side and rear windows to protect you and the interior from the strong Australian sun. The complete list of Berlina standard equipment will illustrate the range of features that make Berlina an impressive package. If you do a lot of country driving or need even more towing power, you may wish to order Berlina with the 5-litre V8 engine. For better fuel economy with performance, choose the latest in Holden technology, the 3.3-litre electronic fuel injection 6-cylinder package. For the driver who demands the utmost in a wagon, Berlina Wagon, the ultimate Commodore wagon. Berlina Wagon gives you all the luxury of the Berlina sedan with the space and versatility of a wagon. Standard equipment on Berlina Wagon includes a new adjustable chrome roof rack to give you even more carrying capacity, and a rear window wiper washer to keep the dirt off the wide opening rear door. Berlina has extended roof gutter and belt styling to accentuate the new longer looking profile. The 3.3-litre electronic spark timing 6-cylinder engine and Trimatic automatic transmission are standard on Berlina Wagon. Or you can choose the optional 5-litre for the added power of Australia's only V8. Whatever your choice, you'll find that Commodore Berlina Wagon is the wagon that is right for you and your family. Holden Commodore Wagons, built for your needs. Sedan comforts and wagon practicality, giving you tough, reliable transport, backed up by an Australian-wide dealer and spare parts network. Commodore, SL or Berlina, sedan or wagon, offers you Holden's new high-technology engineering and design excellence, and a level of standard features and equipment that makes Commodore the best value-for-money car in Australia. Before you leave, why not experience all that new Holden has to offer? Ask your dealer for a test drive and enjoy one now. Once in a while, a car comes along that is very, very special. There is something about it that will turn heads in the street and have drivers telling of how it feels to experience the driving pleasure. This is such a car. Holden Calais, the ultimate. Calais lifts the standard of Australian luxury cars to a new height. Everything about Calais has been designed to give you a level of driver comfort and features superior to cars costing thousands more. And the best news of all, their standard equipment in Calais. One way to fully appreciate Calais is to take a close look at all its standard and exclusive features. The first look tells you Calais is special. Individual styling sets Calais apart. The bold new grille is color-treated to match the body color. The new front-end design is complemented by the new clear crystal design turn signals. Calais' subtle, stylish badges set it apart with a touch of elegance. The distinctive alloy wheels are exclusive to Calais. Calais' aero-styled rear-view mirrors are remotely operated to give you total driver control with electronic adjustment. Door frames are black to give a longer, lower line. To protect your investment and complement Calais' classic styling, there is a strong, high-impact resistant body side molding, color-treated to harmonize with the body color. Even the door handles are color-keyed to the body color to continue Calais' clean line. Rear styling is exclusively Calais. Tail lights and brake lights are recessed and extended for better vision and safety. Calais' all-new 6-window design gives a longer, lower line, increased interior spaciousness, and adds to passenger visibility. Calais' luxury goes on. An electric sliding sunroof is a low-cost optional feature to give you maximum enjoyment and driving comfort. Under the bonnet, Calais is powered by the new electronic fuel injection system, fitted to the 3.3-litre six-cylinder engine and Trimatic automatic. Holden engineers have achieved remarkable performance and economy figures with their electronic injection. Power and torque output is increased to a level that has the 3.3-litre electronic injection six-cylinder engine, giving performance comparable to many V8s. And of course, if you need sheer torque and pulling power, Calais comes with Australia's only V8 option, the renowned Holden 5-litre. Calais is, without doubt, a luxurious car, but the exterior is just the beginning of the story. On the inside, the level of appointments prove that Calais sets a new standard for Australian luxury cars. Let's take a look at Calais' luxurious interior features. Plush crushed velour or leather seats are standard on Calais. An adjustable lumbar support on the driver's seat makes it easy for you to set a driving position that is just right. The instrument panel reflects the latest in electronic technology. Displays are liquid crystal and are designed for maximum clarity and information. The speedometer is a bar graph that progressively illuminates to indicate vehicle speed. Speed is also indicated by a digital readout to the left of the speedometer. There are warning lights for oil level, engine heat, coolant level, fuel level, and seat belts. It even has an audible warning to draw your attention to any fault. There's a tachometer located under the speedometer for you to monitor engine revs. Calais features a trip computer to keep you up to date with your vehicle status. Functions include time elapsed, fuel consumption, average fuel usage, distance to empty, fuel used, and mileage covered. And it's also an extremely accurate digital quartz clock. Naturally, with a car of this luxury, air conditioning is standard to make sure you never have to worry about the heat. For your comfort and convenience, Holden's air conditioning system has been refined and improved to give up to 40% more airflow. Calais gives you excellence in quality sound with a 4-speaker electronic tune AM/FM radio stereo tape player. The system includes single lever control for speaker balance, automatic program search, station seeking, and digital readout. Door locks are power operated for ease of operation. For extended highway traveling, cruise control is standard. And of course, there are 4-wheel disc brakes for sure stopping power and safety. Your comfort and convenience are cared for with refinements like the interior dome spot lamps. There are rear quarter lamps and open design head restraints for total passenger comfort. The rear center armrest folds down for an armchair type feel. Front seats have a recessed rear panel for extra rear seat legroom. The doors are fully trimmed with door compartments for storage. The rear doors have individual controls for power door locks and power windows if fitted. Additional soundproofing is built into the headlining to give you a quieter ride. Ask your dealer to take you through the complete list of appointments included in Calais, and you'll see why we say Calais sets the standard for other luxury cars. On the road is where you begin to understand the special feeling that is exclusively Calais. It is a perfect blend of fine engineering and stylish good looks that stamps you as a person who has reached the top. Take the wheel and experience it for yourself. Holden Calais, the ultimate.